Hi, welcome to my channel, Tilla Girl TV Mukbang. Hello, I'm unveiling y'all. Good, I got my hair. Better length hair for black women. Watch this, y'all. And inside the bag, cute bag. Inside the bag, they have their information. And I think this is telling you how to care for your hair. And then you got the little, another little clip if you need extra clip and stuff. So I'm about to get started doing my hair. Stay tuned.
Peace.
So you guys, I'm putting the conditioner on it right now because I'm about to wash my hair with this conditioner.
Yeah, she wrote me.
Per YouTube. Now I was going YouTube to find out what to do, so I gotta wash it with this.
Do a mukbang.
I have the herbal essence, blue ginger, shampoo and conditioner. So this is the conditioner. I'm about to wash it with that.
And we're gonna do another mukbang.
We'll be back.
Okay,
y'all. So I'm putting these tracks in.
Hello, tractor, and she just put a one layer on.
In the back.
In the back. I did that one already, Grandma said.
You did it.
And of course, yeah. Okay, pause it, Crystal. Okay, pause.
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look right now. I'm about to twist it up so I can have it really, really curly. Let it dry, and then I'll let you guys see the end results of it. I like it so far. It's soft, it's bouncy. It's like my hair texture. Don't do that. It's like my hair texture. You gotta see the hair. I sprayed it with some the conditioner, and I blend my hair in at the top right here. Like I said, I'm about to twist it all up, and once it's finished, I'll let you guys see it. I'm twisting it up now, you guys, and I'm gonna let it dry.
Hey, we got all the strands down. All the strands that was right here were all her things that do her.
Don't brush my hair.
Alright, do her.
Let's twist it up, you guys. I'm gonna tie it down with my scarf, let it dry, and I'll let you guys see the end results. Okay?
And then you bye.
Okay, you guys, this review at the beginning of my mukbang is a review I'm doing on clip-ins. This human hair is clip-ins with the clips, and it's by Better Length Hair for Black Women. Okay, and so far so good. I washed it with some conditioner, and I combed it out real good. And I like the length of it. It's 16 inches. This is 16 inches. I love the length. It's soft. It's bouncy. And I love it. I got to do my edges now. I got to slick this back really good. I haven't had a chance to because I've been running everywhere. And I got to do my top part up here. It's not finished yet. Put some mousse on it or whatever. But yeah, for the most part, I love it. Okay? Thank you. Better lengths. Thank you. I love it. And it came, I paid extra to have it shipped real soon. And I ordered it, I want to say Thursday night or Friday night, and it came today. Okay? Thank you.
Hey guys, what's up?
What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? Doing a mukbang with the grandkids. They eat oodles and noodles. Y'all know what they want to eat. I'm eating my leftover salmon I cooked the other night. And my vegetables. I got zucchini, squash, onions, and peppers and stuff like that. And they got noodles. Oodles and noodles, okay?
Here it is. That's look here it is. Huh, we got third guy do a finger talk. I'm gonna just start eating.
My salmon's still good and juicy, y'all. It's not dry. I actually thought it was going to be dry because it's been in the refrigerator for a couple of days.
So y'all, let's do this. I thought my noodles were not gonna be dry because I am not supposed to high. We haven't been eating noodles stuff, but then I thought my noodles weren't gonna be right, so yeah. And then they turned out right, so anyways. Your stuff must be high. Yes.
Who be cooking your noodles wrong?
No. Yeah, I should do.
They be too mushy?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like mine mushy. They cook just right?
They're good. Well, my shit made the best noodles ever. I'm gonna try that. Try this one. I'm
Too
right
far.
here.
I know, I'm gonna break and give it to you too far over there.
That's so good. It's so good. Good, one more thing. What you just saw her hair though?
I did just get my hair done. I just did my hair, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm about to do a review
Oh,
on the hair from the people I bought it from.
And when she gonna post on you?
It's gonna be at the beginning of this video. I'm gonna give them a shout out.
I shout out. I shout out to my grandma Shan because she's the best grandma ever, and she always gives us stuff on Christmas on every year. Yeah, like so she gave she's my best grandma Shan. That's why I shout out to her. Yeah, because he got me a present for my birthday.
I bought you a lot of presents for your birthday.
And she's the best grandma Shan ever. Yeah, and of course she bought me a lot of presents for my birthday. And I was really thankful for her. So that's why she's the best grandma Shan ever.
Y'all hear that? Don't be jealous, okay?
Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Yep.
This is good, Kirsten.
Yeah, I know. It's so good.
You want some more?
Yeah. Can I get another piece for my
You want some?
Look, that's so
Hold on, let me
good.
break your piece out. You're too far away.
This quality is good. Looks so good. I love my grandma Shan so much. She's the best. And y'all don't be jealous. Don't be jealous.
Don't be jealous. Next up our video, but we back.
We're back.
Was that salmon good? You taste it?
Yeah, this is so good. No, they thought
You
that
want to taste it, Aaron?
It's
You want fish?
It's made out of fish though. Yeah. Real beautiful. Y'all Grandma's
get mad
because
Yeah.
y'all can get mad because my grandma makes.
And she know how to make the best food ever.
Y'all can get mad because my grandma should make all of.
Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous.
No, y'all get mad because my grandma should make the best food in the whole wide world.
The best noodles, y'all.
The best.
The best noodles.
You're the best grandbaby in the world.
Yeah, you
Good
the
job.
best grandma in the world.
And let me show y'all some.
Oh, yeah.
And
Yeah.
this what?
We went to Bath and Body Works. I went and bought me some lotion and stuff.
And of course, that's why she's the best grandma ever. She got us these.
It's sanitizer, y'all.
Y'all can't get mad because I don't know why I don't use the tiger.
You gotta show them your
What we
sanitizer.
do?
Show them your sanitizer.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, go. And let me show y'all the real routine. Here we go. Here we go. And let me show y'all the receipt. Hold on, this is the receipt. The receipt.
The receipt. And look how much money it cost. A lot.
Yeah, my grandma had, because my grandma is the best, and you know that.
And we had to hide these.
Because we didn't want our receipt to fall out.
Yeah.
So we had to put it in our little cases. Yeah, I'll show y'all. And it have a unicorn horn. Y'all, this is why I wanted this. Right, Grandma?
Mm-hmm.
And my grandma have a case too.
She loves
That's
unicorn.
fire. Me too. I love
I get
unicorn.
so obsessed with unicorns.
I love unicorns.
Well, he loves dinosaurs more. See? Well, let me tell
Yeah,
y'all
I
what
love-
it can do. What thing?
What did it do? It do something?
Yeah, it's raw. Do it.
I mean, this,
Oh,
that's fire.
I didn't know it do that.
You didn't
The
know?
one that cost $9.
Because the war.
Mm-hmm.
But for the cases, it costs it more.
So yours don't do nothing? You don't know? Yours might do something too.
It does. It's a rough.
Oh.
It's a rough.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does. You don't press it hard enough. It does something, but you just don't.
Hey,
You
y'all.
just have to press it hard enough.
Y'all need to get off of my grandma's phone, period, sis.
Yeah,
Mm-mm. Can't do that on YouTube. Have to be nice on YouTube.
Yes. And
I'm finished, y'all. I bust that down. Look,
bust it down.
they still eating.
Here, you can have
But-
some of my noodles.
Yeah, you can have that.
I'm finished.
Bye.
It was good. Now they gonna finish their noodles.
And I got my brew cup.
Mm-hmm.
I got a cup in the car.
I gotta go make my ginger root and turmeric
What that?
What is the gym root?
water and my lemon water.
I want to make some lemon rub too. How's that sound?
I gotta
Okay.
go buy me 2 containers to put it in though, cause I need some put in the refrigerator so I can just drink it.
Yeah, we're gonna drink it out.
Mm-hmm.
And can you make me some too?
Mm-hmm.
You make me some too?
Can you get some more hot sauce, please?
Yeah. This is not hot
You want
enough.
some more hot sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell YouTube bye. Bye YouTube.